Oh wow.
What is this? What is this?
Don't you just love that smell of smoke?
Is there a whale or something?
Now, if Cole hops on that train, he's gonna go in the very back. The car's gonna start running back up.
That's insane though.
Alright, Colin, your goal is to swim into Sandusky under
I am the meter.
Oh wow, this is amazing. Oh no.
How would he sink? No, he was too long. I get to leave next week. I get to go to camp.
I'm gonna camp.
What camp? Orange.
I'm gonna camp there for like a week.
I'm
going on a camp for like a week. It's in Cuyahoga,
Oh, wait, that's right.
Over there like that ride.
I remember that.
Maybe we could
Ride a water ride.
I can't.
Yeah, we need to go to the arcade.
So guys, I don't have He said that Cedar Point pass is called $6. What? It used to cost $6 for a Cedar Point pass. Lucky. That's cheap. No, that was expensive back in the day. Wait, what is this? That's the wall.
That's
You
Maverick.
should go on that. No, there was a water ride.
There's Steel Vengeance.
That's not Steel Vengeance. That's Maverick.
I know. No, Steel Vengeance in the distance.
Yeah, it's in the distance. Hell no, what is that?
That's not Western. Steel Vengeance is supposed to be like a Western.
This is insane though.
Hey, Rocky, that was so great. My brother tried to get a marijuana plant bracelet at, wait, Max, imagine if they say, everyone please meet in the front. Sorry, we're on Steel Vengeance right now, like, we just got on it and stopped. What the
Wait, are we riding again? Or not?
We're gonna stop here and go through.
Alright.
Are we supposed to go through like Boneville? No, that's next. I was get jump scared when when you first enter, there's that dude with the gun and he's having the Western standoff and it makes that banging noise like snatching.
Oh wow.
That's not fell off the ride or something.
This ain't scary.
Yeah, be careful not to drive. I'm worried about your phone.
It's alright.
I'm not pulling my phone out. I really want to listen to music right now. It gets scary once you get like at the really top because like it starts like making noises.
I've seen you drop your phone, you might want to bring that back.
Oh, why is it shaking? Why is it shaking? Oh,
It
that's
shakes
scary
when
as
it
shit.
gets up here, so you might want to take your phone down and shake.
We're good.
Oh, the wild mouse goes so fast. I just seen it go so fast.
This is a good place
We're
to get
good, guys.
I can see a tumbler. Oh, it goes up again? Oh, there's people on this side.
It goes just a little bit higher.
Hey, hello. Oh, hey, there's people. Say hi.
Hey.
They didn't wait for us.
Watch out,
What
watch out.
the-
Meanies.
Hello.
Hello.
Gotta get our hands ready to wave.
Hello. We got a down there.
I hear them play the harmonica.
Hello.
I hear them playing the harmonica. But I'm
Oh,
pulling
yeah,
my
they're Are you guys playing the harmonica?
phone.
Oh,
should I turn my phone off?
Yeah, yeah.
They want to see what's my phone. What if I just play sound buttons, like the soundboard and stuff?